What's up guys, welcome back to my Game Corner channel. In this video we talk about how to make money without skills and also from 0 to 3,000 or $4,000 on YouTube. You can have a microphone, maybe webcam, and also you just speak English also. So what the first YouTube, also we see YouTube channel Kader Cormier. It is a channel about Gary Kader, and also about business, about Shopify, about how to make money on YouTube, about Amazon, dropshipping, Instagram, how to make money on Instagram, and another videos. It is business channel, it is education channel. So why education channel and why business channel it is cool, and why you just started business channel? Because business channel is have high CPM. Kader Corner have from 100 $1,000 views. From 1,000 views, Kader Cormier have at $12 or $11, because Kader Cormier have 327,000 views, and also he have make money from that views of from December 1st to December 31 last year have 3,094,400. So it is maybe screenshot, maybe it is Photoshop, not we see it is not Photoshop, it is not screenshot, it is really good CPM for his channel. But that is last month on YouTube, and also in last month YouTube have best ads, best CPM, because ads is have high CPM. It is New Year, it is also Christmas. It is a month when you send surprises to your father, mother, brothers, sisters, or another your friends. And also ads is activity, it is good. And CPM is difficult. CPM on YouTube from business channel, it is at $10 from 1,000 views. So what about maybe another videos when Kader Corner have money from YouTube in another month? Let's go do it. Let's search it, that video. YouTube income report. How to make $3,500 a month advance revenue. Also we see that go, yeah. When it's December, it is December. No, it is not month, it is September. This September it is for us. Oh yeah, also Kader Cormier have 199,000 views, and also have at $1,000 $100. It's also $99. It also good for his channel, and we see it is small views and also many monies, and also we see and CPM for business channel it is good. What about another people who make money from business channel? Maybe it is cryptocurrency, and why Kader have a good CPM? Because people who look him, people have a 20 or more old, and also it is people who have money and people who maybe buy from Google Ads. What about another people who have money from YouTube? It is also Tanner J. Fox. It is a nice channel, and also Tanner J. Fox. Sorry for my bad English. YouTube, how to make money with where is his YouTube income? Among strategies, biggest YouTube clip money making for small channel. Yeah, maybe it is that. It is news, bad news from YouTube. It is old new, and also Tanner J. Fox from February to December last year. Tanner J. Fox have a free $31,000, and we see that Tanner J. Fox started from $5 to also to $6,000, and from January to February it is good. And also Tanner J. Fox have a $220 in one day from per day, one per day. And from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, who look him, Australia, Germany, New Zealand, Netherlands, South Africa. It is bad CPM countries. Also it is bad CPM, and good CPM countries it is Canada, Australia, Germany, United Kingdom, and United States of America. And we see that from January it is at rates, it is nothing. And also one video is about millionaire, or its video have 1 million views also. And we see that. So guys, also my channel it is about how to make money on YouTube and how to make money from cryptocurrency. It is my specialization, and also I make money about YouTubers who make money, and also I make videos how to make money. And also I'm learn English because English so bad, but I am study. So guys, thank you for watching. It is about YouTubers and about business channel who make money. Also subscribe to my channel, and see you later.